Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Runnable AI. So let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Runnable, and over here you can see that one of the most powerful aspects or features of Runnable is being able to connect your own apps. So if you go over here, it says connect your apps, and here you will see there are hundreds of apps that you can actually connect here. And this literally means that you can connect your own data. So it's quite simple. If you can't find something in the list, you can go ahead and you can actually search for it over here. So let's just say, for example, Notion. Notion is here, Notion API. We can also, let's say, perhaps Trello. Let's see if Trello's there. There's a bunch of different things that you can do here, right? And what you can actually do is, for example, if you are going to connect Trello, you can go ahead, click on connect, and now it will ask you if you can connect. Just say continue, and here the pop-up window will basically just ask you for permission to connect your account, your Trello account, to Runnable AI. So here you can see, here are all of our details. Let's say log in. Here you will literally just log into your Trello account if it's not auto detected. And once you've done this, you will then be able to create automations within Runnable for Trello. So let's go ahead and log in. All right, from here, you're going to just go and click on continue, and you'll now be able to, if you're going to connect your apps and you see Trello, it'll say remove, which means it's now connected. Let's just drop this down again. And now you can create a workflow as such. All right, when a new card is added to the list daily tasks in my Trello board project management, duplicate it and add it to the list. Done, son. All right, now we're going to go hit send. All right, and what it has said now is that this automation needs to be done within Trello. So it'll explain to you how to actually do this, and then you'll be able to execute this automation within Trello because it is something that can be done. Now, if it's something that cannot be done within the app specifically, it will be able to create that automation for you. Let's go back to our homepage. Here you can see that you can create slides, also websites, reports of up to 50 pages. You can also create and edit podcasts with the AI assistant. This will help you transcribe and summarize episodes, and you can create images, documents, and videos. The nice thing about this is they also have some design templates here where you can actually go ahead, and if you are interested in any one of these, you can actually click on the use this inspiration, and then basically you'll use this as a template for your own project, whatever it is that you're running within Runnable.